All right, fans, what's up? We're here on location with Cory Atley. He's doing some planting. We got some planter action happening in the background there. We just had a flat tire. We blew out that tire there. Don't know what happened. We were across the street over here, this other field. We flipped around right over, how do I do this? Right over here. We flipped around in that field and we blew a tire. We fortunately got across the street to this field and parked in this location in the shade, which was nice, before we realized it was flat. But apparently it was flat all the way across the street. So great suspension, great shocks on this vehicle. So then Jared, what happened? After we got over here, realized it was flat.
Well, it's a little bumpy, but in true Corn Warriors nature, we carry on regardless of the bump of the ride.
That's right.
But lo and behold, our tire had completely separated off the rim. So we thought, well, first thing is get cameras up, secure talent, and make sure everything's rolling, roll camera, roll sound, before you worry about the flat. So we secured the chute and then carried on.
So we had a flat tire when we got over here. Cory was like seconds behind us, and we knew we needed to change it in case we need to move quick. But we still got cameras up and rolling?
Yeah, cameras up and rolling. Drone too.
How many cameras did we get?
Looks like we had 3 GoPro cameras, a 360 camera, and a drone aerial time lapse of the entire situation. So while we changed the tire.
So what happened while we were over here changing the tire? Over there.
It looked like they had some drama. Don't know what it was.
We don't know. They were down for sure. There looks like hands in the air.
Potential planter spill, maybe some seed spill.
We don't know. I think it's my diagnosis. Something's wrong with the planter because he keeps driving by. I don't know if he's trying to make his lines, his AB lines,
right,
or what. But
right.
Probably not. He wouldn't have waited that long. He would have just driven. But
it looked like he was shaking lines loose too.
Yeah. Oh, was he?
Could have been product stuck in lines.
Oh, interesting. But however, audio was rolling and all the cameras were rolling over there. We hope we got it.
We'll let you know what happens.
We'll
Tune
take
in.
a look at the footage later. But we changed the tires successfully, and now
all the day's work here in Corn Warriors.
Now we're ready to do what?
Plant.
And move on.